Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another one from Mr. Lee's Noodles. This is their Hong Kong Street Beef. I don't know about the name, but I had the older version of this and it was super good. It was like my favorite of the batch of varieties that they had. But it makes me think of cows roaming around Hong Kong. So I don't know. But I'm guessing the street food in Hong Kong is phenomenal. So that's probably what they're trying to say. But, you know. Anyways, let's cook this one up. Slap this sucker on top. Actually, let me push it down a little bit. There we go. So like I was saying yesterday, they use 3 minutes. They use what do you call it? Freeze-dried meats and vegetables. And then the noodles are what do you call them? Rice noodles. So that's pretty rad. This one is 218 calories for the whole thing. They refer to these as noodle pots in Britain. This is from the UK. And yeah, I'm thinking this is going to be pretty good. They're going to start, they've got, I guess, a new factory here in the US, and they're going to start making it in the US too. So you'll be able to get these around May. And my daughter is still watching Hello Kitty on YouTube. You'd think there was like a football game going on or something. Hi Mimi, how you doing? Ah, they're playing music? Oh. Hey Mimi, can you go have a seat and finish your lunch? Thank you. Ah, youth. She gets really excited about Hello Kitty. Oh man. Wow. Really excited. But yeah, snow's all gone. That's nice. It was actually like, there were spots in the parking lot when I was walking my son out to the bus a few minutes ago that were just dry. Very crazy. I live in just a little town just north of Seattle, and it's been wet. I'll put it that way. It's been really, really damp here. So, I feel like I'm gonna jump out of my skin. God, it's tough. Mimi, go sit down, please. Constant screaming, yelling of small children doing things they shouldn't. It's tough being a stay-at-home dad, I won't lie. Trying to get a bunch of exercise in, trying to get a whole bunch of video and editing and reviewing done. But it's cool, I do get it all done. Sometimes though, like today, I am just beat. And I think I'm going to have this for lunch. Sounds good. I know I like the other one that I had. That was like 2 years ago, so it could be better, it could be worse. So we'll find out. I'm guessing it's going to be, if anything, better. So, yeah. And it's time for the noodles, my friends. Okay. That's enough of that. So let's see here. This is a Hello Kitty free zone currently. No Hello Kitty in the kitchen. So let's see. Here is what the freeze-dried beef looks like. Hey, that might be the beef. That might be the broccoli. There's a beef. Come here, beef. That's the beef. Wow. Just like a little cube of beef. That was beef. Beef and beef. It's good too. I'm definitely getting the taste of anise in that. Here's what the broth looks like. I mean, there's a lot going on in there. Now, in the last one, I didn't really give it enough of a stir, so let's see. Some noodles have the learning curve. That's fine. These cups are neat though. This is the only time I've ever seen a transparent noodle cup that has stuff printed on the inside like this, and I think that's really cool. It's a good way to do things. Okay, now let's see how that broth tastes. Yeah, there was a little. Let's see if I did the trick with that stir, if there's anything left in the bottom. Nope, that pretty much did it. Little bits and pieces, nothing bad. Alright. Let's set her up. Yeah. The more I deal with Hello Kitty every day, the less and less I like Japan. It's just like a Hello Kitty overload. Maybe just Sanrio. We were watching a video the other day that mentioned, here, let me make it so it doesn't kick you in the head. We were watching a video the other day that said the reason that Hello Kitty doesn't have a mouth is that psychologically, if you look at Hello Kitty when you're happy and she doesn't have a mouth, then you will automatically equivocate the expressionless face as being happy. It was really weird. If you're angry and you look at Hello Kitty, you'll see kind of more of like an angry kind of feeling to it. That sounds like something they thought up after the fact. I don't know though, I could be wrong, but that seems like, oh hey, look at that. But whatever, that works. That's clever. Alright. Let's get down in close and have some groovy rotations, yo. Sit down. Well, thanks again to the folks over at Mr. Lee's. This is my Friday, so I don't know if I'll be doing another one tomorrow, but I might. Another one or two. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.